All right, y'all, so it's time to pamper your man, and I'm going to show you how to take your man's hair from this to this. So keep watching. Okay, so this is Devin's hair texture. I want to say he has like a 4B hair type, very, very dense, low porosity hair. So his hair has been washed and conditioned already, and of course he has to act a damn fool. So this is his hair. We're gonna go ahead and just section it down the middle and then in half, so that's gonna be 4. And we're gonna be using Shea Moisture's Curl Stretch Pudding, specifically designed for type 4 hair. So I'm gonna put that onto the section to prime it, soften it, and prepare it for twisting. And then I'm gonna section little squares for the twist. You don't have to really section it off in squares unless you're actually gonna wear it as a style. So I'm gonna take a generous amount and put that onto the hair. And this product really does stretch out the hair, as you can see, and it really moisturizes it. It takes a little while to absorb, but I'm gonna be using Jamaican black castor oil, pure butter, and this is the lavender kind. I love the smell of lavender. And I'm gonna use that to seal in the moisture and start twisting his hair from roots to ends. What I really like about twists is that you can actually wear them as twists, or you can actually twist them out. So it's a 2-for-1 style, and I like that for men and younger kids as well, because you know, you get 2 styles in one. You really can't beat that. So I'm going to keep doing the same thing all over the head, taking a generous amount of Curl Stretch Pudding, applying that onto the hair from roots to ends, and then applying the pure butter to seal in the moisture, and making sure that hair is well detangled before I start twisting. I feel like the most important thing when it comes to a twist out, especially on shorter hair, you want to keep the tension pretty much even from roots to ends. And I think that that's where a lot of people go wrong. They start slacking in between twisting and it gets loose in the middle and the results just suck. Also, make sure that you're combing and detangling along the way as you twist down, because the hair does start to get tangled. So when I'm done twisting half of his head, this is the comparison between the untwisted side and the twisted side. As you can see, it's a major difference, and there's a lot less shrinkage. So I'm going to continue doing that all over the head, making sure to remist with water whenever the hair starts drying out to make the hair more pliable. And of course, making sure to comb the hair through, making sure there's no knots. You want it as smooth as possible. And then we're gonna apply that product and start twisting from roots to ends. Like I said, make sure that the tension is even throughout the entire twist, and reapply product if needed. As a rule of thumb, for hair that is prone to shrinkage, you kind of want to apply heavier product, which are like butters and heavy sealing oils, to make sure that the twists are stretched. So when I'm done twisting, I just apply some pure butter castor oil to the back and sides of his hair and just brush it to make it neat and presentable. So these are the twists, really nice and neat and uniform. You can wear it like this for a week or so and then untwist it later. Either way, twists are really, really versatile, and that's why I love them. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how the twist out looks. I'm going to apply some Uncle Funky's Daughter Glossy to his twist before I start unraveling. I'm also going to apply it to my hands, and then I'm just going to start unraveling these bad boys from the roots to the ends. As you can see, the twists have a nice stretch on them, lots of definition as well, and there's hardly any frizz. So when I'm done unraveling the twist, I'm going to go ahead and spray some more Uncle Funky's Daughter Glossy onto his hair, and then I'm going to start separating the twist even more to conceal those parts and also get some more volume out of his hair. Now, while we're doing this, you're going to see that there's a little bit more frizz being produced, but that's because we're manipulating the twist more. The more you separate, the more frizz you're going to end up with. So take your time with this step and use oil. So this is how it looks when I'm done separating it. Still nice and stretched and neat, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick it out to conceal those parts once again, but also to give him some more volume and lift. And to add the finishing touches to his service, I'm gonna go ahead and smooth down those sides and apply some Mache Moisture's beard balm to his beard just for an extra treat. Don't skip this step, ladies. He'll love it, trust me. Shea Moisture has an entire line dedicated to men and beards, so yeah, we like to use that a lot in here. So here's how we're looking. These are the final results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more men's tutorials, let me know because we got you. So we went from this to this. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come, and comment down below which kind of video would you like to see next. Men's tutorials, kids tutorials, something with my short hair. Let me know. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.